Yeah, Kashmir is so beautiful. I'm so happy the Miss World is happening in India.
Say something about
Yes, I had a beautiful boat ride. It was incredible. It was so peaceful. And I'm so excited to have Miss World in India. Kashmir is stunning. It is filled with so many colors. There's so many activities here that families can do for children and also for, grandparents. So it's definitely a city where a lot of family members can come.
صحیح بات ہے. یہاں پہ جب ہم آئیں گے تب ہم کشمیر کیسا ہے, کیسا اس کا ایسنس ہے, بیوٹی کیا ہے, وہ ہم محسوس کر پائیں گے اور پورے دنیا کو بولیں گے. یہی ریزن ہوگا مس ورلڈ بھی ہو رہا ہے, تو پورا دنیا دیکھے گا دیش کی.
Tell me about the visit you visited, just the famous Dal Lake. It's very famous across the globe. How do you feel there?
I felt so at ease, so peaceful. It was so tranquil and it was absolutely beautiful. I feel so blessed to have been able to go. So thank you so much for treating me today. That was really lovely.
Do you like to tell across the globe people to come to the Jammu and Kashmir? It's a beautiful place, it's a safe place.
Absolutely. I mean, it's my first time here today and I've enjoyed every second of it. It's such a colourful place as well. We've been to the gardens today, which was lovely. And I've heard that you guys have snow leopards here as well, so I'd love to come back and visit them. But definitely when I go back to England, I'll be telling everybody to visit Kashmir.